and now to start filming clips for the bike check that I'm working on today. I'm excited about this, and I want to do a couple really good things for it. 270 tap, I'm coming this way, hand on the spine, I drop to the pegs,
Yeah.
then I jump from the pegs to here, then 180 out. Hey everyone, Brant Moore here, and this is my 2022 bike check. Starting at my toe is gonna break. So on the front of my bike, first we have a Cody hanging out here. But second, okay, so let's talk about me falling.
Yeah, me too.
Make sure I don't need to clean that. Yeah, I need to clean that lens off. I'm gonna do a knack double peg, so what I'm gonna have you do is like start back here, or right here, come up, and then you'll move a little closer and I'll be talking about the back of the peg. That actually doesn't work like I thought it would.
Yeah, your foot's in the way.
Okay, so you can be up here now. Or does that work? Can you see it from there?
You want me to? Yeah.
Okay.
All this stuff, yeah.
Alright, that works then. Vandal rim and me falling. I can't hold that position.
You know how I feel.
It's an alienation descent peg on the back, and I just fell. Well, I was gonna do it to get it over with. Cody,
He's doing it.
All right, guys. This is this, that, and that thingy, and yeah.
Thanks, bud. Needed that. Ah, third try. That case.
Don't think so?
What?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either, but I just want to check. Run it back. Come here. Stand right here. I have to do it again. Okay? I did it again. Dang it.
I actually did get that.
Yeah, ready? Did he get the picture?
Yeah, he did.
Let me see it. Dang, look at you. Do it again? Yeah. I'm going to do it again. Go right to the same spot. Right here. Take one. All right, you ready? All right, you ready? What? I didn't like it. Oh, dude, that was a good one. Yeah,
I got that one.
I was too low.
Yeah, you did get that one. Good job.
Did you get it? Let me see it. That, good job. That was perfect. Look at that. Good job. Good job. All right, I'll just do a boof ice tap pedal 270 boof. Normal, forward, backward, forward. think that was fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
My turn.
Yes, do it. Oh God.
Yeah.
Sweet. I bet that trick from this box looks cool from the back. Tire grab to X up, and I'll.
Hold on, how far do you need me to be back then? Way back here so that you can see the bottom of the spine and you going over it?
Alright,
Ugh.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, God. No!
He wasn't ready. That one's
horrible,
got to be
but the
better.
neck
That
was
neck
better.
was better.
I told you I could do it better. Oh, oh my gosh. My foot was off the other side.
Is that not it? What'd you do wrong?
It fell off before the bottom. There was a couple problems. We'll see. No! Damn it. Can't hop
Where'd you hop?
on the fakie.
Go, go, go.
Come on, man. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This will make it complete though.
Well, then get it.
It'll be the street section.
Okay.
Ah, I'm dead.
That one was it. You're good. Good job. All done. Can we eat dinner?
Got a little baby hop, but I don't.
No, 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 no. You did not.
There was a little baby hop.
I didn't see no
It was
baby
a baby hop.
Well,
You
it was
saw
so fast. I didn't.
Let
see
me
it.
know. You saw it. I know you did.
It was so fast.
All right. It's a wrap on the behind the scenes from my bike check. Put in work to try and make a solid one-day edit with things that I may have done before, but did them a little different than before. I'm dead. Hopefully you enjoyed the bike check. Go watch it if you haven't. Thanks for watching here. And if you haven't, hit the subscribe button down below. I'm dead. Thanks for watching.